everyone, welcome back to the Confident Dancers channel. If you're new here, my name is B-Girl Mel and I teach hip-hop dance online. If you're looking to learn hip-hop dance, we drop videos just like this every Tuesday. Please like and subscribe to this channel for all your dance education. If you're looking to learn how to dance but don't know where to start, let me coach you personally, and the link to get information on that is down below. In today's video, we're going to be learning a classic line dance called the electric slide, which is traditionally done to a song called Electric Boogie. The original choreographer of this line dance is Richard "Rick" Silver. The format of this video is I'll teach you the steps, and then at the very end, we'll do it with music. Let's start. Before we begin the breakdown, I'm going to demonstrate to you what the electric slide looks like. Traditionally, it's done in a 4-side sequence, but for this round, I'm going to show you 2 times. Here we go.
It's electric. You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Ooh, it's shocking. It's electric.
All right, here we go. I'm going to teach you the entire electric slide sequence with the legs first. And then after we're done with that, we're going to add the arms. Starting with our right leg, we're going to step to the right and then to the left. So we're stepping out right, step behind, step right, together. Then we go to the left, behind, step left, together. So there's 4 steps to the right, 4 steps to the left. Try it again. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put that together a little bit faster with this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. To the right, then to the left. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go back. Starting with our right foot, we're going back. Left continues back. Right continues back. And then you tap your left foot. So you're stepping back 3 times and then tap the left foot. So let's try that. Slow, and here we go. Right, left, right, tap front. Again, here we go. We step back, 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 tap front. Okay? Let's put that together. Again, we're going into 4 count sequence. Stepping to the right, stepping to the left, and then stepping back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, a little faster, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next part is now doing tap sequences. So you're going to the right first, left, back, and this next part is tapping forward and back. Think of it now as we're doing 2 taps. Double tap, double tap, double tap. So let me show you first what it looks like, and then we'll break it down. Going back, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So now when we're doing those double tap sequences, let me first demonstrate that double tap idea, and then we'll try learning it with counts. So we're going back, 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 double tap, double tap, double tap. before we go into the next direction. Okay? Trying that idea one more time where we step back 3 times and then double tap 3 times. Here we go. Slow and back, 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 double tap, double tap, double tap. Okay? Now let's think of it with 4 count measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 to go into the next direction. So now we're going to put it together slow, going to the right, to the left, back, and then the double tap. We're almost done. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. To transition, and we'll get there. All right? Okay, now try it with verbal cues, a little bit faster. This tempo, starting with the right foot, 5, and here we go. Right, left, right, together. Left, right, left, together. Back, back, back. Tap, front, back, back, front, front to transition. Okay, so now let's close it out with that last little transition. So we've been moving in 4 count sequences. This transition only is 2 counts before it starts over the 4 count sequence. So just one more review with the 4 counts, and then we'll finish that last part. Follow me. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 to start over. Okay, so we're doing 4 count sequences or 4 count measures. Okay, that last part, so you know how we went back? We went back 3 times. 2, 2, 2. This is part of the next, the 1, 2, 1, and you scuff. Okay, you're going to scuff and kick front, and that's going to allow you to change your position or pivot 90 degrees to start the sequence all over again. So again, we go 4 counts, 4 counts, 4 counts back, 4 counts with the tap. That last double tap is the 1. This is the 2. You're like, what? It's okay. We'll put that together slow. So that last part again, after we do that tap back or tap front, back, this front tap is 1. The scuff allows you to kick and transition, move, pivot 90 degrees to face the other way to restart the electric slide sequence. Okay, so let's try it slow, doing the counts first, and then we'll do body cues. So 2 more times, adding that last part. 5, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cues, describing the body part and what's happening. Here we go. Right, left, right, together. Left, right, left, together. Back, back, back. Double tap, double tap, double tap. Scuff to start over. 2, 3, 4. The final part now is adding the arms. The arms aren't too involved in terms of the way the legs are involved, there's going to be claps and then an arm gesture at the end. Okay? So the clap happens at the end of each sequence going to the right and left. So we add a clap going 1, 2, 3, clap. When you step together, you clap. Going to the left, left, right, left, clap. When you step together, you clap. Now, adding the right arm. So the right arm doing this like swivel circular motion, it's only, the right arm doing it. I'm in a light fist. I rainbow back, full circle forward. Again, rainbow back, full circle forward. Okay? So putting that together, I'll let you know when the rainbow back happens. You go right, left, rainbow back. So on that third step is when you rainbow back. Again, try it slow. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Sideways, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, going on after here, 3, 4, you're going to do that circle down. Okay? So, putting that together, we go slow to rainbow back, circle together, and then you're going to do the same thing one more time, rainbow back, rainbow back. So the full arm sequence is going rainbow back, circle down, rainbow back. And it looks like this, slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release your arm and scuff, pivot 90 degrees. Okay? So that's what's happening with the arms. We rainbow it back, full circle down, rainbow it back. Put it together slow. Let's do counts first, and then we'll do body cues. 1, 2, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, add clap. 1, 2, 3, add clap. Here we go. 2, add the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 to start over. Okay. I realized I did both body gesture and clap, but it's okay. Let's do it one more time. Do both. So here we go. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, add the clap. 1, 2, add the clap. Back, back, rainbow back, circle front, rainbow back, start over. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, back, rainbow back, circle forward, rainbow back. And then scuff to start it all over again. All right, so this time now we're gonna try it with music. We're gonna do it one time, stop. I'll come back to give you the cue on what's to happen next.
It's electric. You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Ooh, it's shocking. It's electric. Dig it, Mr. Kelly with the bubble electric magic. She's a moving along like she's so you gotta know it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. That you can't hold it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you know it's there.
All right, we practiced it 2 times, so that's cool. Now we're gonna do the full rotation, all right? So we're gonna do the sequence facing the front or facing the camera. Then we're gonna turn our body face counterclockwise. We're facing the side, okay? We're gonna now turn our body. Now we're facing the back. Okay, again, we're always turning counterclockwise. When we pivot, we face the other side. And then we pivot one more time to do a final sequence to the front. So it's actually rather 5 times. We're going once, then to the side, then to the back, then to the side, and then to the front for that 5th rotation, okay? If it's still a little confusing, you can keep facing the front, but eventually you can use this video and follow along with me where you get to rotate with me. All right, let's try it out 5 times in a row.
It's electric. You can't see it. It's electric. You gotta feel it. It's electric. Ooh, it's shocking. It's electric. Take it, I miss it, with the bubble, let the melody, she's a moving along electric. She sure got the boogie. You gotta know it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. That you can't hold it. It's electric. Woogie, woogie, woogie. But you know it's there. Here, there, and everywhere. I've got to move. I'm going on a party ride. I've got to groove, groove, groove.
You did it. Now you learn how to do the electric slide, and now you can participate in all the weddings and social spaces when you hear this song come on. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and we drop videos just like this with a nice breakdown every Tuesday. And if you're an aspiring dancer, please consider joining our 8-week program where we have 3 pillars to get you results: Zoom live sessions, one-on-one coaching, and education through the app. See you next video.